Welcome everyone. Here on the Short Review channel today we have the podcast microphone, PodMic, produced by Rode. This microphone has an XLR connection, so you will need a standard 3-pin XLR cable, as well as an audio interface. The weight of the microphone is 937 grams. The acoustic principle is dynamic. The polar pattern is cardioid. The frequency range is between 20 Hz and 20 kHz. And the output impedance is 320 ohms. In the box there is the microphone mounted on a support that helps to mount it on a flexible arm. Here it is mounted on the microphone boom arm stand U-Shares MUM35K1A7. In the future I will do a review for this as well. It looks great mounted on such an arm. It has integrated yoke mount, allows for easy positioning, with an innovative dual 3/8 and 5/8 thread to allow mounting on any stand or boom arm without the need for thread adapters. I purchased this microphone from Amazon for £102. There is also the version that comes with 2 connection options, both XLR and USB, for £193. Thanks for watching and see you next time.